G'day! Let's take a look at the Mailbox page. This is your dedicated hub for sending emails and reviewing all email-based communications. It's where you can review a complete history of every email, alert, or report sent from within the system, giving you a perfect record of what's gone out so you're always in the loop. Let's get stuck in. To send a new message, simply click the plus button. You can add attachments and even send emails in bulk if you're using and have assigned tags or asset roles, which can be a real time saver. This main screen shows all your email history. At the top, you can search for something specific or filter by list of emails sent to users, alerts that have gone out, or any reports that have been run. To see what was in some correspondence, simply click the eye icon. And if you need to clean things up, you of course have the bin icon, let you delete. And that's the Mailbox. Now you know how to send and track the history of all outgoing system emails. Having this full record at your fingertips means you'll never miss a beat when it comes to your communications.